Help! Somebody help! Brooke?
My name's Riley. I'm training first aid. Can I help you? What happened?
I don't know, I just found her this way.
Is anyone else hurt?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Stay close. I'm gonna need your help.
Okay.
Can you reach into the first aid kit, grab some gloves and put them on?
Yeah.
Hello? Can you hear me? Activate emergency response protocols to the office for an unresponsive adult female.
Calling 911 now.
I'm gonna need your help. Can you kneel across from me? I need one hand on the forehead, like my hand,
Okay.
and I need the other hand on the jaw. You're holding the airway open for me.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna roll her. Keep the airway open for me. Okay, you can let go now. I need you to wait at the entrance for the ambulance and escort them in when they arrive.
Okay.
Hello? Can you hear me?